Hello guys, my name is Debo Vale. I represent D98 Crypto. I want to share my turbo dream. Last year I bought turbo on gate.io at a very low rate. Last month, the month of May, I guess, turbo AI skyrocketed. I think it went more than 1000% in value. The next day when I saw the blast off, I had a dream that turbo was going to blast off more than the previous price, because I don't joke with the dreams that God gives me. I don't joke with them. I saw turbo blast off seriously more than the previous price. Note, this is not a financial advice. If you wish to buy turbo, you can take it to God in prayer. He will direct you on what to do. If you want to buy turbo coin, you can buy turbo on BitGet, Gate.io, OKX exchange, or you can check the markets on coin market cap. These are the exchange where you can buy turbo. If you enjoyed this video, you can like it, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Thank you very much.